So for the sake of those who tuned in late, for those who just tuned in, that thing we're talking about right now, topic of the day is, if you're given the chance to marry whoever you want to marry, who will you pick and why? All right? And question number 2 is, what is the complete exact address of Sheban's Seafront Resort and Hotel? Answer to that is number 13, Baloy, Long Beach, Olongapo City. Barrio Barreto, that is, Olongapo City. And lastly, the official telephone number, landline hotline number of Sheban's Seafront Resort. That is 222-7909. Okay, you guys ready? Call now. Call me up 252-8905. Call me. The landline number. Landline number is now open. Let me make you hear that. Okay, here. There. Landline is open. Call me now, 252-8905. Win the gift certificate coming from Sheban's Seafront Resort. Gift certificate, baby. All right? And we have somebody calling. Let's check it out. Hello, caller.
Hello.
Hello. Hi. What's your name?
Hana May Magrasya.
Come again?
Hana May Magrasya po.
Hannah May.
Yes.
Did I got it right?
Yes.
Hannah May
Magrasya.
Magrasya. All right.
Okay.
When you said your full name, parang bigla ka natawa. Why?
Sabi ko kasi mga kasama.
Hindi ka sanay sabihin yung full name mo.
Nahiya ako eh.
Nahiya ka sa full name. Huwag ka mahiya sa full name mo. Dapat nating ipagmalaki yan dahil yan ay binigay ng ating mga magulang. Tingnan mo yung kaibigan ko. Proud na proud. Ang tunay niyang pangalan ay Burukotoy. Palayo niya, Bors. Parang mas maganda pa yung full name sa nickname, ano? Kasi Bors eh. Parang konti na lang, Boris na eh, no? Taga saan si Hannah May?
Taga Banikain. No?
Okay, taga Banikain. Handa ka na ba? Magkakaroon ng power outage sa March 15. Okay. You gonna join the radio contest? Is that the reason why you called? Tama ba ako o nagkakamali ako?
Tama po.
Okay. So, Hannah May, first answer the topic of the day. You know what the question already is, right?
Yes.
Sige, go ahead. If you are to marry.
Siyempre yung aking asawa.
You're married already.
Hindi pa nga eh.
Hindi pa. Sabi mo, yung asawa eh.
Bali,
yung kasalukuyan mong
hindi pa
boyfriend.
kami kasal talaga.
Okay. Alam mo, common na yan eh, no? And alam niya na yan eh. Wala ka man lang let's say hypothetically, parang ano lang, pangarap lang. Sinong pinapangarap mo mapangasawa? Parang pangarap lang naman. I think he will understand. Kung mag-aaway kayo, mas maganda, magiging mas makulay. Diba?
Siya lang talaga eh.
Siya na lang talaga. Safe answer. Nakatingin ba sa'yo ngayon? Matalim yung tingin.
Hindi naman.
Okay. Ang asawa mo, you wanna say the name? Hindi pa.
Roldan Lupa.
Si Roldan. Okay. Lucky guy. Talagang siya ang gusto ni Hannah May. Alright, so that's question number 1. Only 2 more questions. Where is Sheban's Resort and Hotel located? The exact address.
Okay, sa number 13, Baloy, Long Beach, Barreto.
Wow! Ba't alam mo? Nakapunta ka na doon?
Nadadaanan.
Tsaka nakinig ka lang. Pero ngayon pupunta ka because I'll be giving you a gift certificate. One final question. If you're gonna get this right, you will be the winner of a gift certificate from Sheban's Seafront Resort and Hotel. What is the official landline hotline number of Sheban's Seafront Resort and Hotel?
222-7909.
Let me check. 222-7909. Congratulations! You got it right! Yay! Alright, you just won the gift certificate from Sheban's Beach Resort worth 1,000 pesos. Of course, dun mo i-spend yon, okay? And you can claim your prize dito sa station. You know how to get to the station, right?
Yes.
Okay. Simply go over and you can claim it Monday to Friday. You can claim it from me. I'm here from 6 in the morning till 1 p.m.
Okay po.
Okay, Monday to Friday, 6 in the morning till 1 p.m. Don't forget, Hannah May.
Okay.
Okay, so you want to do some greetings?
Yan, binabati ko lang yung mga taga-Jorela. Si Pao, si Mai.
Wow!
Si Olen.
Sa Jorela ka pala.
Yes.
Nandiyan ka ngayon? Di mo naman sinasabi.
Di po, ano po.
Okay. Hi to everybody there. Yan.
Okay.
Sino pa? Sino pa? Wala na?
Si Ate Sue, Accounting Department.
Everybody in Jorella. Lahat na sila. Baka may nalimutan ka eh. Sige. Okay. So, that's all?
Okay.
Okay. Congratulations to you, Hannah May. And before you say goodbye, what's your favorite radio station?
89.5, Subic Bay Radio.
All right. Thank you. And congratulations, Hannah May, our winner. First winner of the Shivans Seafront Resort and Hotel Gift Certificate Radio Contest winner. Ayan, congratulations kay Hannah May. Right? So if you want to win that too, you better tune in bukas. Meron ulit bukas. Ayan, okay? And also, we are still giving away the 5th Subic Auto Show entrance tickets. Meron pa. Pwede pa rin pong tumawag for the you're gonna win. I'm gonna give you the Subic Auto Show entrance tickets. Okay? Hindi nyo na kailangan bumili ng ticket para kung gusto nyo manood ng the 5th Subic Auto Show. Tawag lang kayo 252-8905 and you can win the entrance tickets to the 5th Subic Auto Show. And again, we want to thank Shivans Beach Resort and Hotel, today's sponsor of the radio contest. Once again, Shivans Beach Resort, located at number 13, Baloy, Long Beach, Barrio Barreto, Longapo City. You can call them up at 222-7909 or simply visit their Facebook page, official Facebook page, Shivans Resort or Shivans Seafront Resort Official. Just look for it on Facebook. All right. Now go